Hello everyone. If your Windows PC is showing a blue screen of death, BSOD, and keeps restarting, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several common reasons why this happens, and more importantly, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to help fix the problem. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Tech Resolve, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another useful Windows tutorial. There are a few common reasons why you might be getting a blue screen error. The first reason is new hardware. If you've recently upgraded your RAM, installed a new hard drive, or added a graphics card, the new hardware could be incompatible or causing an issue with your system. The second reason is corrupted Windows system files. If some important Windows files have become damaged or corrupted, this can also cause blue screen errors. The third reason is recently installed software or games. If you installed a new game or software and started getting blue screen errors after that, the software could be causing the problem. And the fourth reason is high CPU or memory utilization that causes the blue screen error. So without wasting time, let's go through the possible causes and fix them one by one. First, we need to open the Advanced Options menu. To do this, completely shut down your computer. Now turn it on normally. As soon as the Windows logo appears, press and hold the power button to force the computer to shut down. Turn your computer on again, and when the Windows logo appears, force it to shut down again. Repeat this process a few times. Windows should automatically detect the startup problem and enter automatic repair mode. From here, you'll see the Advanced Options menu. This is the menu we need to access. This method works on most Windows laptops and desktop computers. Let's start with the first possible cause, new hardware. If you recently upgraded your RAM, installed a new hard drive, or added a graphics card to your laptop or desktop, the new hardware could be causing compatibility issues. In this case, try removing the newly installed hardware or restoring your previous hardware configuration. Once you've done that, restart your computer and check whether the blue screen problem is resolved. Now let's move on to the next solution. If the problem is caused by corrupted Windows files, we can try repairing them using Command Prompt. First, open the Advanced Options menu, then click on Troubleshoot, followed by Advanced Options. Next, click on Command Prompt. Here, you need to enter a command that will scan and repair corrupted Windows files. Type the command shown on your screen and press Enter. The process can take around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your system. Once the process is complete, you can move on to the next step. Now, we'll check your hard drive for possible errors. In Command Prompt, type the command shown on your screen and press Enter. This command checks your hard drive for errors and attempts to repair them. The process can take around 10 to 15 minutes because it runs through multiple stages and thoroughly checks the drive. Once the process is complete, type Exit and press Enter. After that, click on Continue. Your computer will restart and Windows should boot normally. Check your system to see if the blue screen problem has been resolved. Now let's move on to another possible cause. If you started experiencing blue screen errors after installing new software or a game, we can try starting Windows in safe mode and uninstalling the problematic software. First, open the Advanced Options menu, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Next, select Startup Settings and click Restart. Your computer will restart and display a list of startup options. Select the option to start Windows in safe mode. Once Windows starts, you'll see safe mode written in all four corners of the screen. Now, we can uninstall the software or game that may be causing the blue screen error. To open the control panel, press Windows plus R together. The Run dialog box will appear. Type Control Panel and click OK. This will open the control panel. Now click on Programs and Features. Here you'll see a list of all the software installed on your computer. You can also sort the programs by installation date. If you recently installed a game or software and started experiencing blue screen errors afterward, look for that program in the list. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the instructions to remove the software from your computer. If the blue screen problem started after you manually installed a Windows update, you can also try uninstalling that update. In Programs and Features, look at the top left corner and click on View Installed Updates. Here you'll see the Windows updates installed on your computer, along with their installation dates. If you believe the problem started after installing a particular update, you can select that update and uninstall it. You can also try rolling back the update if that option is available. After making the necessary changes, restart your computer. Your system should now boot into normal Windows mode, and hopefully the blue screen problem will be resolved. Now let's look at another possible reason for system crashes. Start your computer normally. Click the search icon, type Task Manager, and open the Task Manager app. Once Task Manager is open, check your CPU and memory usage. If your CPU or memory usage is constantly reaching extremely high levels, especially when running demanding applications, your system may become unstable and could crash or restart. That's why it's important to run games and software according to your computer's hardware configuration. For example, if you're working with a large amount of data in Excel and your computer doesn't have powerful enough hardware, your CPU or memory usage may become extremely high. Similarly, running demanding games or applications on hardware that doesn't meet their requirements can cause performance issues and system instability. So, always make sure your computer meets the recommended requirements for the games and software you're using. And that's it. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and fix many common causes of blue screen errors and unexpected restarts in Windows, and share this video with anyone who might be experiencing the same blue screen issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.